In this video, I am going to share with you types of makeup products with their uses. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first is primer for long lasting makeup and protect your skin from harmful chemicals. Product link mentioned in description box. So second is foundation, prepare a makeup base for makeup. So next is concealer. It's help to hide acne marks, small blemishes, dark circles, pigmentation and large pores. So next is loose powder to set the makeup foundation. For long lasting makeup, product link in mentioned in description box. So next is contour palette, define the shape of the structure of your face. So next is blush, enhance the structure of your face. Also enhance the cheekbones. So next is highlighter, enhance your complexion and give skin a brighter dewy glow. So all the link in mentioned description box. So next is eyeshadow palette to highlight your eyes or for contouring the eye strokes. So next is mascara used to enhance your eyelashes. So next is lipstick. You can use your favorite shades. Nude shades are the best option for daily wear. So next is eyebrow gel to shape up your eyebrows. So the next is lip liner to shape your lips. Next is eyelashes. You can use this for increasing volume your eyelashes. Next is kajal. Keep the eyes cool and clean. Next is micellar water to remove your makeups. Next and last is makeup setting spray. Give a airbrush look. Keep makeup long lasting. So these are the products. Using this product you can create your own makeup kit. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out description box for the links you can buy from them.